Hi, everyone. Have you ever wondered if one mistake could define the rest of your life? Sometimes our failures seem louder than our successes. We go over the words that we wish we didn't say, opportunities that we may have missed, or moments when we feel like we're falling flat on our face. Peter knew that feeling. He boldly promised that he would never abandon Jesus. Yet, in one difficult night, fear took over, and he denied ever even knowing him. Maybe you might think that would be the end of Peter's story. But in the Gospel according to John, Jesus doesn't begin with Peter's failure. He asks a question: Do you love me? 3 times Jesus asks, Do you love me? Not to shame Peter, but to restore him. Each time became another opportunity for healing. Then Jesus trusted Peter with an incredible mission: feed my sheep. It's a beautiful reminder that God doesn't only forgive our mistakes, but he can transform it to be a part of our calling, our new lives. Peter's greatest failure wasn't the end of his story. It became a place where he discovered God's mercy so deeply. And maybe that's the invitation for all of us: not to let yesterday's mistake define what tomorrow is going to look like. Because with Jesus, failure is never the final chapter. So if you're listening to this in the car, if you're walking along, I have some journal prompts that I can put in the description that if you have some time to reflect, you can. Is there a past mistake that you still carry? And have you accepted God's forgiveness? And then, after you have accepted his forgiveness, where might God be inviting you to begin again? I hope you have a wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe so you can continue to hear God's whispers.